Hi, it's Dr. Laura here. Your nervous system may be aging you faster than you think. Not because one difficult day creates permanent damage, but when stress becomes the body's most repeated signal, the body begins adapting around it. That can shape how you sleep, digest, recover, focus, move, and use your energy. So give your system one different signal today. Unclench your jaw, lower your shoulders, slow your breath. You do not have to eliminate every stressor, because you can't. But you can remind your body that stress is not the only state available. Your body is always adapting. Give it something more supportive to adapt to. Just saying. Thank you and namaste.